Good morning, scholars. Today we are going to continue with our math, doing the same thing that we did yesterday. Now, just before we get going on that, we are going to do a quick little fluency activity, as you can see on here. Just to kind of get our bodies going and our minds working really good, just to get us woken up. I know it might be a little bit early, so we are going to go ahead and start. So we are going to look at each of these boxes for our warm-up activity. So, can someone tell me how many dots do we see on this page? Just go ahead and say it and give everyone a few seconds. Alright, very good. So we have 5 dots on this page. Can someone tell me how do they see 5 dots? So how do you see 5 dots? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it and answer. Alright, so I heard someone say that they see a group of 3 and they see a group of 2. Awesome. Now we're going to go on to our next one. Can someone tell me how many dots do we see in this box? Awesome job. We have 5 dots. And just the same way, how do we see 5 dots? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Awesome. So someone said that we have 1 dot up here and we have 4 dots down here. Alright, the next one. How many dots do you see? Very good. We have 3 total dots up here. Can someone tell me how they see 3 dots? Awesome. So we have a group of 2 dots and 1 dot right there. Very good. Alright, so, and then our very last one. I'll give you a few seconds to tell me how many dots we see. Awesome. So, we see 7 dots. How do we see 7 dots? I'll give us a few seconds to answer. Very good. So someone said that we have 2 dots up here and we have a group of 5 dots. Awesome job. So the same as yesterday, we are going to be counting our groups of 10 and seeing how many ones we have left over. So, Mr. Spivey has his paper. First, I have 10 ones and blank ones. So, Mr. Spivey is going to put a set of cubes up. And then he is going to put up another set of cubes. Okay, so friends, let's look here. Let's count our blue cubes first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ones. So we have 10 blue ones that I put together. And blank ones. So how many green ones do we have up here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 and I have 10. So I have 10 ones, those are the blue cubes, and 7 ones because we have 7 green cubes all alone. Alright, so friends, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to look at our homework that we have for today. Now, it is just the same as yesterday. So, but just with different pictures. So, if we look up here, I have 10 ones. So, in that circle we have, or in that oval we have 10 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ones. And how many leftover cubes, or circles rather, are over here? 3. So we say that I have 10 ones and 3 ones. Alright, so we are going to look at the picture of the geese there. So it says circle 10 things. Tell how many there are in 2 parts, 10 ones and some more ones. So the first thing, we're going to circle 10 geese. Okay, so I have 10 ones. Those are in the circle. And how many leftover geese are outside of the circle? I'll give you a few seconds. Awesome. So we have 2. 1, 2. So we're going to put the number 2 right there. Okay? So you are going to do that very exact same thing for the smiley faces, the diamonds, and the water pail here. Alright, friends. I hope you guys had a wonderful time. I hope you guys are learning, and we can't wait to see you back. Goodbye, friends.